Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting. For Tuesday, it's about 2:35 Eastern Time. We had some ruckus markets today. Cotton continued its sharp path upwards. We traded above 9,200, nearly went to 9,260 before settling back down. We still finished sharply higher. We're going to be, around the 91.50 area. That's based on the positive supply-demand numbers, I think, from yesterday. USDA came out and cut the Chinese cotton crop about a million bales, and our thoughts were for them to cut China this early in the game, that perhaps the Chinese have a bigger problem than we realize. So the uncertainty of China, I think, and the fact they cut the U.S. crop about 450,000 bales, certainly fired up cotton's boiler, and we went to 92.54, and we're going to go out around the 91.50 area. How high do we go? It's hard to say, because on the flip side of all this, they left the India cotton crop unchanged at 28 million bales, and I think India's got a larger crop than that. They had good early monsoonal rains, and it's hard to get accurate information out of there, but I would say India may come on strong later on this year. Also, despite all the cutting of the Chinese and the U.S. crops, they still left us with 93.7 million bales in the carryout. So that's still record. They only cut it 560,000 bales. So that is still a gracious plenty of cotton. So up in here, cotton might run into a little bit of some trouble. The grains, very disappointing today. We had good numbers on corn yesterday. Corn could not take out yesterday's high today. And so it began to break back, and that breakback turned into a rout. We closed corn down about 16 cents. Spot SEP corn was $4.55, down almost 17 cents, even though it had a high of $4.76. Very disappointing in that corn market. Of course, when you look at the crop condition numbers that came out, 63% of the corn crop is still good, excellent. Everybody tended to forget that after those friendly numbers of yesterday came out. Wheat down today. I think it had not as bullish a numbers yesterday, so it didn't really rally that much, so it didn't have to fall that much today, but it went out around the 641 area basis to December. Beans today stuck it out. We did trade up to resistance in November beans at 1240. We're going to go out around 1228, up 2.5. There again, beans held on just by their bare white knuckles. I guess we could say that maybe today's turnaround Tuesday. We'll have to see the market, the grain markets at least, catch hold and turn back up tomorrow. If not, then we may be in for a long August. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.